Hello everyone, we are going to review today this cordless vac. It is a wet dry vac from Aldi. I believe it was an Aldi Fine, Aldi grocery store. So hello, ni hao, hola, namaste, konnichiwa, and bienvenue. It works for dry, I have a bunch of stuff to try here, and wet. And it charges on its own charger with that little piece going right in here, like so. And when you do it right, the green light comes on. There you go. So here we have almond flour for our gluten-free recipes, which I'll put a link into as soon as I make those. Got some pet dander, dried flowers, typical floor dirt, and in this one we have some sand. So here we go. For these dry samples, we need to take this attachment out. This is for the wet stuff. This is rubber. See how it bends? So rubber for wet, and this just pulls right out of here, one-handed, no problem. And instead, we go to its base, and there is a long attachment, and there is a brush attachment. So for the first demo, just going to use it naked. Simple. Power button. That disconnects the canister. Power it on. You can hear that. Almond flour. Pretty good. It blew away the pet dander. Pretty good. Dried flowers. We'll turn it off and see how it's collecting. And we'll try another attachment for you. So now I have the long attachment in, which is really nice. I've used this in the car. So it gets between the seats, between the seat and the door, where the seat belt tucks in. This gets in there really good. So here we go with the long attachment on. This is basically just dirt. And sand. Super easy. And let me show you the inside. Again, it was this button, simple, release into the canister, pull out that rubber gasket, go dump it in the trash can. So again, this is a review. I have not been paid. They did not send this to me. I bought it in Aldi's. Ambiano cordless wet dry vac. When I bought it, it was about $24. So is it super strong like a regular vac? Heck no. But will it do the job? Absolutely. Highly recommend it. Thanks. Hope you enjoy.